No other Indian can claim kind of adulation and respect Dr. Dwarakanath Kautins enjoys in China. Coming from a family of doctors, all in his family were doctors. Dr. Kautins had always dreamt of becoming a physician. After the War of Resistance gave him the perfect opportunity to make himself useful in the battlefield. He dedicated his entire life working as a battlefront doctor in China and rendered his selfless service to the injured Chinese soldiers during the Second Sino-Japanese War. Dr. Kotne's contribution towards humanity will be remembered forever. Dr. Dwarkanath Kotins was born in a lower middle class family on October 10, 1910 in Sholapur, Mumbai, a vivacious kind of by nature. Dr. Kotnes forever aspired to become a doctor. After completing his graduation in medicine from GS Medical College, Mumbai, Bombay, it was earlier known as, he went to pursue his post-graduation plans when he got the chance to join the medical aid mission in to General Zuhdi requested Jawaharlal Nehru to send Indian physician to China during the Second Sino-Japanese War to help their soldiers. So what did Jawaharlal Nehru was the president at that time? What did he do? The president, the Indian National Congress, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose accepted the request and made the arrangements to send a team of volunteer doctors. A medical team of 5 doctors were sent as a part of Indian medical mission team in September 1938. The medical team, surprised of M. Atal, M. Cholkar, D. Dwarkar Kotnis, the man in our story, this doctor, B. K. Basu and D. Mukherjee. After the war, all senior doctors except Dr. Kotnis returned to India. However, Dr. Kotnis decided to stay there and serve at the military base. He stayed there. He did not come back after the war. He initially started his work in Yan and then went to anti-Japanese base area in North China, where he worked in the surgical department of 8th Road Army General Hospital as a physician in charge. Stayed back there. He started his practice there. He was seeing patients there. It was while working with the soldiers that Dr. Kotnes lost his heart to a Chinese woman, Jio King. And he fell in love with this woman. Then what happened? They were working in the same hospital. Dr. Kotnes was a doctor and Jio was a nurse. In November 1941, Kotnes married Jio and a son was born on August 23, 1942. They named the boy Yen Hua, combining the Chinese characters Yin for India and Hua for China. He worked as a lecturer for some time in military area at the Dr. Bethune Hygiene School. He took over the post of first president of Bethune International Peace Hospital after Dr. Noman Bethune passed away. Okay, during a long drawn out battle against Japanese troops in 1940, what happened? Dr. Kotnes performed operations for 72 hours non-stop without any sleep. He was very dedicated, hard-working doctor, and his small team conducted 50 operations every day for a fortnight. In those harsh situations, what happened? Mrs. Jio proved an ideal soulmate, but was modest about her contribution. She was also very true, dedicated, and helping for the profession of doctors, isn't it? Dr. Kotnes played a major role in controlling a virulent strain of plague that hit Chinese soldiers. This was a disease, plague disease. I think your grandparents were and all can tell you about it. About rats, this disease was. In the process, he did not fall back for trying out a vaccine on himself. The hardship of suppressed military life and the stresses that were especially relevant to the frontline doctors finally began to tell on Dr. Kotnes. He died of epilepsy he fell ill, he died. When did he die? He died of epilepsy on December 9, 1942 at the age of 32 and was buried in the hero's courtyard Nan Quanan village. Okay, in order to cherish the memory of Dr. Kartens, the Chinese government built a memorial hall for him in Shijiazhuang of epilepsy. Okay, Hebei province in 1976. No single Indian has been so much revered by ordinary Chinese as this doctor from a middle class family in northern India. Along with Canadian doctor Norman Bethune, he continued to be revered by the Chinese people. What happened in April 2005? Both their graves were covered completely in flowers donated by the Chinese people during the Qingming festival, a day used by the Chinese to commemorate their ancestors. A small museum there has a handbook which contains words that Courtney wrote in his message from India to China. Some of the instruments that the surgeons used at their time were, and many photographs, got it, of doctors. Both India and China honored him with stamps in 1982 and 1993 respectively. These are the meanings glossary we will go through. Adulation means praise, admiration. Very good. How beautiful is a flower, is a rose in the garden. It is adulation. Admiration, praise, तारीफ करना. Vivacious, cheerful. Virulent, dangerous. Shy away, avoid something that you dislike. Epilepsy, a disease of nervous system that causes a person to fall unconscious. Revered, respected or admired deeply. Commemorate, keep a great person, event, etc. in people's memory. Venerated, respected. Septuagenarian, a person who crossed 70 years. Memorabilia, objects that are collected in the memory of person. For today, why was Dr. Courtney sent to China? Second question, what was Dr. Courtney's contribution to Dr. Bethune International Peace Hospital in China? Why did Dr. Courtney opt to stay in China? How did the Chinese show their gratitude towards Dr. Courtney? Send me your homeworks by 5:30 or 6 in the evening, children. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. See you in next class.